Hey everyone, welcome to the Crypto ZX channel. If you're new, do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. But now let's get right in today's topic, which is regarding none other than Terra Luna Classic. We're going to be doing our daily analysis on the price, see what is happening and where we could be going in the immediate short term. As always, just a quick disclaimer that anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in crypto. So if we're looking at the price of Terra Luna Classic right now, you guys can see there's still about 4 zeros in front of the price. Right now we're currently sitting at 9056, down about 2.6% over the last 24 hours in USD comparative. We're also down a little bit in BTC comparative over the last 24 hours. Looking at its market cap, on the other hand, this is something that is quite impressive. And of course, there is news revolving around this now that I've looked into it as to why Terra Luna Classic is holding so good. But one thing to point out to you guys is that over the past few weeks now, especially since the breakout, we've been seeing the price of Terra Luna Classic, the market cap holding above the $500 million mark, and that is a great thing to point out. And the 24-hour trading volume currently sitting at $31.7 million. But now let's look at the price, see what is happening and where it's headed in the immediate short term. So of course, on the daily time frame, not much going on. You won't be able to really see as to what exactly is going on. So we're going to be looking at the hourly time frame, gives us a better understanding as to what really is happening. So of course, as mentioned earlier, especially after this massive breakout on June 5th. So the month of June basically has been really good for the price of Terra Luna Classic because of course, we are aware as to what happened literally since March, literally a decline within the price, which I discussed in the earlier updates. But finally the month of June saw some sort of relief, some sort of light, that came at the end of the tunnel for the price of Terra Luna Classic. We did see a massive spike, but we've been consolidating at the $500 million market cap, really strong, and that is a great thing to see. And yes, there is something going on that is causing this. Of course, the devs have come out and they have announced a new proposal to make the USTC. I've been discussing this before on my channel before, but the devs have come out and they have created a new proposal which is going through how they can repeg the USTC coin, stable coin, make it $1 once again, and they want big exchanges to come and work with them. And not only that, this is something that they've already been trying over the past 2 months, which they've discussed, and of course I think this is what really triggered this rally. But apparently none of these exchanges that have been given this proposal about the USTC repeg have kind of come back to these devs about supporting. But remember, it goes back to saying what I've always said from the beginning. USTC, of course, if this were to be repegged to that $1 mark, this is going to literally change the entire landscape for Terra Luna Classic. This will of course bring in massive exposure towards the price of Terra Luna Classic, and the entire quote-unquote revival thing that everyone is discussing can really come true. It can really come to life if you think about it, if they really ramp this up the way they're trying to do. And of course, obviously taking Terra Classic USD, so which is USTC, back to $1. Of course, they'll be great for the ecosystem, but there's a lot of hurdles. There's a lot of hurdles that are coming in their way, and that is to be expected after a massive collapse. That is to be expected. Not many exchanges might want to get involved in that, and obviously there's still a lot of investigation going on with Terra Luna Classic, so a lot of exchanges are still on the sidelines. But with that said, which exchange is out there supporting it? Which exchange is it? The biggest exchange in the crypto space, Binance. And I've talked about this before, all these new people that are coming into the space talking about it. I've been mentioning this from the beginning. Terra Luna Classic is being supported by Binance. So it really makes me wonder every single time. Now, of course, this repeg announcement has been made. And of course, these proposals are going to continue to come. But it really makes me always wonder, why is Terra Luna Classic still listed on Binance And we've seen Binance come out. They've not been hiding behind this. They've not been silent. They've came straight up and said, they're supporting Terra Luna Classic. They're burning millions of Lunc. And of course, that is huge. And as this bull run really starts expanding, especially for the altcoin market, who knows what Binance has planned. And I've said this before, if CZ wanted to be a nice guy and come out, and again, this is speculation, if he wanted to come and be a nice guy and was like, what, I'm going to be a nice guy, I'm going to take USTC and make history and make this go back to $1. Can he do that? Of course. He can literally go in, Binance Treasury or whatever you want to call it, and literally put $9.8 billion into Terra Luna Classic and actually have that physically to show regulators, if they have any questions, that yes, they have that amount, every USTC equivalent to $1, and they can put that in an account where it's kind of there for regulatory purposes, or if any investors has questions, shareholders, they can come and show them that. And I don't know, it's a big thing to say, but if any of these exchanges were to support this, it would be Binance to begin with. And who knows? We know what's happening lately. A lot of pressure from the SEC. Of course, Binance will keep their USD coin. And what if they delist all of the other ones? I don't think they will delist USDT. But what if they delist every other stablecoin, which there's thousands of stablecoins on Binance, and just keep 3? If USTC was just even on the list, that would trigger something massive. So I'm starting to take this, from a totally different angle. And of course, cryptocurrency is a market where the most unlikely things come to be true. Who can say that, that can't come true? You never know. Of course, people are going to come say, so does this mean Terra Luna Classic will go to $120? Absolutely not. That's not what that means. Because the circulation supply for Lunc is insanely high. So in order for that to happen is, the burn needs to be absolutely insane. But it all starts with the stable coin itself. If the stable coin is able to get repegged and, some supporters or some, donations come in to really make this happen, this could be bigger than a lot of people think. And I think there's something going behind the scenes, the fact that this price has been holding so strong. And I think we might find out as time goes by, but I still believe that, the most unlikelihood will become a reality. And again, it's a big statement to make, but it's worth a shot, and let's see what happens. But that does not mean you want to be investing only into Terra Luna Classic. Let's say you have $1,000 that you have done your due diligence and research and want to invest, you can afford to lose. That does not mean you just throw everything into Terra Luna Classic. It's always good to diversify your portfolio. That way you can earn the most potential ROI in terms of gains. Because let's say Terra Luna Classic was not able to succeed. Let's say something happens that is not in our control, then guess what? Maybe some of your other investments will make up for it. That's why diversification is key. But nonetheless, I think that we will see something bigger than a lot of people really think, and I think more and more exchanges will come and start supporting this burning mechanism, which can trigger something bigger than a lot of people think. But of course, that is my personal opinion. Sorry for that rant, but I want to hear from you guys in the comment section what you guys think. What is your take on this? Let me know in the comment section. Love you all. See you tomorrow. Been Crypto ZX, and peace out.